What's up, guys? I got my drag car here I built out of a Slash LGC chassis. I'm not going to take the body off right now because it was a pain in the neck to put the pins in because I got to get bigger body mounts. I did have Bandit RPM rear arms on it, but because I broke my drive shafts, I ended up putting regular stock Slash arms on there, so the friggin' tires kind of slanted and rubbing on the body. So we're just out here test running it, seeing how it does. And I have no wheelie bar right now, so I don't want to give it too much power. Yeah. Should have raised up the front a little bit probably. But I kind of like it slanted like that. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I don't really want to give it power because I don't want to really mess up the body. And I wanted to do a video of me building this for you guys to see, but I really didn't. So when I do some upgrades, I will put some pictures in of part of the build. Whoops, wrong way. Come on. Oh, why is it? Alright, something's not right here. Let's see. What is it? I don't see nothing wrong. Whoops, my bad. Man, I really needed a wheelie bar for this thing because I really want to test it out. Alright, I'm gonna go down here where it's a little straighter and not so much bumpiness. See what happens. Man, this thing looks sick though. Oh, I keep going the wrong way. I'm not used to it turning that way. Alright, I'm gonna go down here and see what happens. Alright, like I said, I'm not gonna really do too much power. Oh, say it like that. This thing's gonna be a powerhouse, I'm telling you. I mean, I'm not gonna take the body off, but I'll at least show you guys the motor. I got a nice castle in there. That's my gearing setup. I mean, it hammers. I got the hot racing transmission in there, and I got the old Mumbo Monster 2, I believe. But man, there goes. I need to find a nice smooth straightaway after I get the wheelie bar so I can really open it up. Oh! Alright, put it on pause, the car's coming. Alright guys, I'm back. Like I was just discussing with Matt, I so want to open this up because it seems like when I start going slowly and start giving it to her, she don't want to lift up. So it's like I want to give her full power, but I really don't because our road's not really that great. I also got a diff lock in the transmission too, so alright.
Staying down.
Oh, wrong way. Whoops. Crash with the drag. It leaves all over it. I mean, I think this thing looks sick.
There you go, you're good.
It's the Stealth Nova. That's what I'm gonna name it.
Should give it some.
I want to, but it's like, ugh. And that's what happens when you give it some.
Well, it's still moving, so that's okay.
Well, guys, I didn't really have the throttle like really full power, and holy shit, it just lifted. Oh, I think the front broke. Yeah. Oh, just the screw came undone. Alright, we'll get that fixed and probably be right back. Oh, it looks like it did it snap? No, I think it just came undone. Alright guys, we'll be right back once I get that fixed. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm gonna end the video here. I did fix the steering forward now, put a longer screw in it. But one of my drive shafts spun off, so I gotta fix that, but I think I'm just gonna get different drive shafts because these are the stock ones. And like I said before, I am having bandit arms. I already had them on here, but I had no more short no more short drive shafts. So I just figured I'd put the stock, well, RPM / aarms on here. So, but I figured I'd show you guys the inside real quick. I have a 3S LiPo to it. So, well, that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you guys.